with no glass of wine. Stuck in the barrel, I'll get better with time. While you measure how the pleasure declines, I'm stacking cheddar while the road just rise. With my eyes and my ears glued here on my grind, cutting, creeping on the combine. Smelling like trees, digging my earth on my roots and weeds. My true bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got cleaned and no deed. Life is just that dark. Clothes smelling like trees, digging my earth on my roots and weeds. My true bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got cleaned and no deed. Life is just that dark. But life is just that bright. And when the sunset shines, I seen the crafty rights. I'm back tonight with a sack to life. In honor of the past I write. I'm wide over with no glass of wine. Stuck in the barrel, I'll get better with time. While you measure how the pleasure declines, I'm stacking cheddar while the road just rise. With my eyes and my ears glued here on my grind, cutting, creeping on the combine. Hard work and the crux that it made in us. About to bust, all my veins full of gold dust. The 1985 California gold rush. In the spine plus the flesh that it holds up. I'm out for mines and my wolves got it sewn up. One crow, one eagle on my shoulders. And my eyes hold the light that approaches. Smelling like trees, digging my earth on my roots and weeds. My true bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got cleaned and no deed. Life is just that dark. Clothes smelling like trees, digging my earth on my roots and weeds. My true bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got cleaned and no deed. Life is just that dark. But life is just that.